Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am so Today I am super excited to show you how to generate AI powered videos using Google AI Studio's new tool. Whether you need videos for YouTube, marketing or just for fun, this is a game changer. Okay, let's dive in. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. So first of all, you need to open your browser. Then you need to head over to AIstudio.google.com. So you need to type AIstudio.google.com. So I will include this link under the video description so you can easily follow the link. So once you enter the URL, you need to access this website Gmail account. Now I'm going to sign in. So once you sign in or logged in, you can see this kind of interface. So here what I want to remind is, if you don't already have a Google account, then you will need to sign in. Once you are in, look the generate video option. It should be right on the home page or under the tools section. So here you can see there are several options. This side, left hand side, you can see chat, streams, generate media, build and history. So these kinds of options are there. And under this stream you can talk to Gemini live, and here from generate media you can generate images. You can generate videos, or you can turn images into videos. So these options are there. Then now let's break down the interface. Here you will see different options to generating videos. Now let's break down the interface. Here you will see different options for generating videos. You can either type a text prompt or upload an image, or even use audio to guide the generation. Okay, so these kinds of options are there. So without wasting time, I'll show you how to generate your first AI video using AI Studio. So here to generate video from text, I select this option, VO, create clips and animate images using generative video. So I select this option. So once you select this option, you can see this kind of interface. There you have here you use VO2 engine, and here you can take up to 2 results under the free version, and also you can change the aspect ratio to 16:9 or a 9:16, likewise according to your video, and video duration up to maximum 8 seconds and minimum 5 seconds. So you can select whatever you need. Then frame rate, resolution and negative prompt also there. So here are some sample images. So here are some sample videos generated from the AIstudio.google.com. So here you can see samples generated by this website. Okay, now I'm going to enter my first. So I'm going to generate my first video at Google AI Studio. So here my prompt is like this. Futuristic So once you type your prompt like this, a futuristic city with flying cars at sunset. So this is the prompt I used to generate my first video. So once you give your font, then you need to click on this run button. So once you click on the run button, so it will take a few seconds to generate your video according to your prompt. Here's my video generated according to my prompt. So here you can see a play button. So you can play your button. Right. Now, if you like, you can download this video to your machine, or if not, you can export this video to Google Drive. So if you want to export this video to Google Drive, you need to sign into your Google Drive account. Okay. So once you sign in, then you can export this video to your Google Drive very easily. Okay, very easily. Now, so that is how to use, a prompt to generate a video by using aistudio.google.com. Right, you can see my file successfully export to Google Drive. If you like, you can export your video to Google Drive. Otherwise, you can download. If you want to have a large view, then you can see a large view like this. Right now, the other option is you can use image to make it animate. For example, if you want to animate your image, what you should do is you need to click this icon, add an image to prompt. Okay, now just click on this icon and select the location. I'm going to upload my image from my PC, so click the upload image. So under the desktop, so this is the image I'm going to this is the image I'm going to animate. So select the image and click open. So once you open, you can give any prompt you want. So here I'm going to type walking smoothly. So this is what I give. So now after that, after giving after you adding your font or prompt, then you need to click on the run button. Okay, now my video generated based on my image. Now let's click on this play button. You see, once I click the play button, my image plays like this. So it is realistic, and so this is how image to video works under this platform, aistudio.google.com. So likewise, you can generate any image, you can generate any video based on your image or based on your prompt. So that is it for today. Now here are some pro tips to get the best results. Be specific. For example, instead of typing a dog, you need to use something like this. Try like this: a golden retriever playing in a sunny park. Okay, then you can get a better result. Second one is use style keywords. For example, add terms like cinematic, cartoon, or 8-bit for different looks. Third one, the final one is experiment. The more you try, the better you will understand what works. Okay, like that. Also keep in mind that AI video generation is still evolving, so some results may be unpredictable, but that's part of the fun. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tutorials like this one. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you will create. Thank you very much.